Itariki ni 15 na Ibere umutinyu kianda umwaka w'ikiri bubere 2022 asine yariganira bene gukoretera amangana maya asenchera yobwenye chinga kitoroche omurai bense William Ruto nigo agendete kweyarigani bene chinga ki achakire emirimo yaye ase serikali enya kurende nigo agendete kwene kibuna oikeranirikira kiranyata ko bagakorie chinga ki ale gukora campaign yaye boigo asensemo yaba governor nigo bagendete kwene kibuna obokoreri obuya ngokorekana bole ase chi county boigo omurobiri o CBC nigo agendete koreta liberera asensetu ya Kenya ase gati yabarai baganire omurobiri yo gotukuterwale eretare ne Frida Kerubo na Chinsa chebiorokerere nigo tokubwatanere Joshua Auta kenda gotobwatia Chinsa mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na boiga asensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke humanchi muri ngo kwarigania bene asenda chikokoretera mangana maya senchera iyo bwenye turasa asensemo ya kabere ya studio tukoirana ningomanye amange. Abanyanyimbo bono nigo benyoreire omweso magegayo moraibwense Dr. William Ruto oikerani eira yaye aliete chingaki ale gukora campaign yaye nigo atebetebene buna obekire emerobelyo ase sector y'abanyanyimbo asokwane kibuna budget yabanyere ko bagekobekwa ensemo linda kwene kibuna mbachikwerubire bene ase obokoreri obuya sensemeyo y'abanyanyimbo boigo nigo aganiriye abanyanyimbo gukora emirimo emiya na boigo chingaki echo abaganiriye go We
made a commitment that we will provide financial independence for the police. I already issued instructions, and yesterday that was implemented by Treasury. Now, henceforth, the police will have an independent budget. They will not be begging for money from other offices. We will allocate them the resources as is being done by Parliament, and we will begin to make demands of them on matter security, because in the past they used to give excuses of depending on finances from other offices. Now they have their own independent financing. We expect improved security in the country. We expect expeditious matters to do with public wastage in public resources should be dealt with firmly, decisively, and in a timely manner. We expect that the fight against corruption will be scaled up.
Chinga keicho boigonigo omorai bense Dr. William Ruto atebirebuna na chikoleta amaonchereria anene mono ase amachiko asago chikogania abawaziri goikira nabo sibwe bunge elikoerera naki obokoreri bogendete ase chi county
For purposes of proper accountability of government, we are going to work on the standing orders so that our CSS can come to Parliament and you can ask them questions directly about your constituents, so that we can improve the accountability of our government, the accountability of our ministers, because in any case, the ministers don't have any constituency to attend to. So their constituency is... Are we together? So, make use of that platform. I am happy to note that our competitors have said they will provide oversight of our government. And we welcome our competitors' assertion that they will take seriously their oversight role over our government.
Tinga kechio boigoni go omurai bense aine kibuna abamerane obanyareko bakonganya kurwa ebyama byabo gocha ase obomo bwa Kenya kwanza nigo aine kibuna tabwatima baga ayo chikoba erinde go nyorera libaga ase eserikali enya boigoni go abagania abarai ba Kenya kwanza ochigwikirani emeremo eri bachorete gukora na boigo abakenya abanyareko bakogokera obokoreri bwabo.
We have accepted that we are not going to appoint any member of the opposition into government because we want a vibrant opposition. We want an opposition that will keep government in check because we have nothing to hide and we want to run an accountable government. So we appreciate their role. We wish them well in their role, but we will play our role as effectively as we can. And members, I want to request you with all humility, please let us take the responsibility put on our shoulders by the people of Kenya seriously. I will keep consulting. When necessary at short notice, we will meet. We will have regular PGs so that we can all read from the same script and do the job for which the people of Kenya elected.
Omugavana okabere we county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati wononigo aenekiri na chigokora obokoreri obya eme county yo nabo igogo ikirani emiremo eri abamenyi be county yo bamochorete gokora okwana nabaliki bamangana nigo aeneki obekiro emereberi ya bene ase okubwatiri chiko aso guchikorusia August wakaskoro ase county yo erinde kwaeneki obokoreri obya.
Magavana tuahidi kwamba pesa ambazo tutapewa tutalinda zifanye kazi, tusaidie watu wetu ambao wamesumbuka kwa muda mwingi, kwa sababu hakuna malaika atashuka kutoka mbinguni. Sisi lazima tuwe malaika wakati wetu ndio tusaidie wananchi wa kawaida. Mpangilio wa kisheria, vile vya kuvuta watu, vya kuandika watu, kule kwangu ni maajabu. Ninakwambia kwamba ni vitu ambazo miezi miwili kuelekea wakati wa uchaguzi watu 400 waliandikwa. Kando hawakufuatilia sheria yoyote ile, lakini wameandikwa kuwavuta pia itafuata sheria kwamba ni vipi wataondolewa.
Omorobelio OCBC nigo gendete koleta liberera asensetu ya Kenya ase egati ya baraibaganire omorobelio yokorusigwa bene egati ya bono moseneta Okakamega Boni Halwale na boigo omobunge okimilili Didmas Barasa ase aganirie eserikali gweswana nigati na boigo kwene kibuna omorobelio yotoliko chikogenderera.
Sasa ukiona mtu analeta ufumo ya masomo yenye inaweza tumiwa na matajiri peke yake, huyo mtu ndio akui namba 1 Kenya hii. I am going to make sure that this thing called CBC ikwenda kabisa. Hiyo ni kitu ya matajiri.
Ili mnajua saa hii rais wa nchi ya Kenya ni William Ruto. Na tumekubaliana hata yeye kwa roho yake apendi hii CBC, lakini kwa sababu yeye ni rais wa nchi ya Kenya, amesema Wakenya wenyewe watoe maoni, na mimi niko na uhakika kwamba wazazi wote watatoa maoni kwamba hii mfumo ya CBC iondolewe ikwende kabisa. Watoto wamekula, wamechinja kuku, mwalimu anaambia mtoto alikesho tunasoma mambo ya kuku. Ukichukua kuku unapeleka nyumbani, alafu wakichinja wanasoma firigizi na maini ndani, alafu mwalimu anakwenda nyumbani kwenda kukula. Walimu wamekula kuku mpaka imeisha kwa mboma ya watu. Hiyo CBC tunataka iondolewe kabisa.
Chingaki abagavana kurachi county abagendete kweneki obokoreri obya ase chi county chebo bonanigo omugavana we county ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti aganirie eserikali kubwatuka chibesa gochia ase e county yo rinde kweneki obokoreri obya bonanigo atebirubna na chikweneki onyereko bakagwa kana abakori emirimo be county yo ase okweneki buna tebali weswana nigati no bokurumi rinde koira ninse e county yo.
Tumeongea na PS wa Treasury. Anasema hata tukichelewesha sisi tu tunawapatia pesa yenu. Ndio tunajua kulikuwa na shida ya COVID, ya vita na vitu kama mingi. There are a lot of things that affected the global economy. But now ninaona kunaendelea na kutulia. Wajaribu vile iwezekanavyo ndivyo pesa ziweze kufika on time ndio watu wetu wasipate shida, wafanyikazi wetu pia wasipate shida katika mishahara. Kwa sababu kama mtu anapata 20,000 ama 30,000, umkalishe miezi 3 kabla hujamlipa. Hiyo kama ni 20,000, analipa rent, analipa school fees, iko chakula, vitu zingine amekopa. Imagine mtu wa 20,000 umpeleke miezi 3 kama hujamlipa. Huyo mtu atakuibia tu, hata kwa county atakuwa mwizi, na ni wewe utakuwa umemfanya mwizi.
Chinga kechio boigo nigo aganiri oroboti korwa ase HR naki okolikwa kwa bakori emirimo ase county yo kwanyare kwa bakogwetani ekerengo korengana nelichiko nigo ligoteba buna nigo abakori emirimo babwenete kolikwa ase ekerengo gyemerongo etatu na isano igoro yemia ase atebire buna county yo nigo yetaniri ase ekerengo kigoro mono ase baikire emerongo etano na isano igoro yemia.
Sisi kama Machakos County na niko na deputy governor wangu hapa, tumekubaliana vizuri, lazima tufanye HR audit, tujue maneno ya wafanyikazi. Kama county ya Machakos, the wage bill yetu ni 55% and we are supposed to be at 35%. Lazima tufanye HR audit ndio tujue hii bill ilifika hapo aje na tunaweza kureduce aje, tuangalie kama wafanyikazi ni wa kweli, kama kuna ghost workers. Sisi hiyo nini forensic audit ndio itaweza kutupatia nini majibu. HR audit ndio itaweza kutupatia majibu, tujue kwa nini tuko at 55%, because sheria inasema tuko at 35%.
Omanche umurigereria korwa ase orobotiro nigo naikire omoelio wa mangana maya ase nchera yobwenye kulendengo gusaba ogendere kubwatia emirobili ndego cha emiegetaseni na mbemo egetaseni kia Ndizi TV inyora ase nsemo ye mitandao sensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na boiga sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyora gwitira Ndizi TV News ase nsemo ya website na bagotonyora gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke maiga chikamera kwene kibuna ebicha na boigelio giria gwikira sore asenchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyanchama tonya kwa tukubwatanira Joshua Auta asense mochivero kerelio na ncheria ne Frida Kerubo ngukoganiria esabato ingia.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii. Soa asumutandao ensemo ya YouTube ulikirieta Ndizi TV News abono konyora chibicha siabaria baito vimerubio ao voigo tonyore as Facebook buna Ndizi TV News aigano Ndizi TV News Ubwansu Gusii. Hebundi ngia ni yekorolekana ritukolitangani agoika semeremo yao ne mashini ya kutumia gosobosera bwemeremo yao nigo bokorolekana magega yo gutumia kimashini chingia echo chigotoka aseduka ya Gusii Star Shop imeyo mu Kisii nigo bakonya kimashini buna meter saw machines, cut off saw machine, chi blow dry, chi blender, chi hoover, chi car washing machines, impact drill, circular saw machine, eruta machine, chi battery, chi machine